So the LG G8 ThinQ is a follow-up of the same thing we have seen in the year 2018. A lot of manufacturers trimmed down the bezels and put a notch at the top of the display as a type of replacement for top bezel. LG did the same with the G7 and V40 ThinQ, but at that point it was a good idea because a change is necessary and a notch was able to do that. Now, some days before this happened where Steve leaked these renders of the upcoming G8 and Ken Hong called them unreal. But it looks like the whole thing was just a marketing strategy, as David Rudock from Android Police believes that the CAD renders are mostly accurate. And again, to support this leak, XD developers have got a new one that shows the complete same look. The front view admires curves around the edges and a notch that looks like the one we have seen on the G7 ThinQ. More importantly, the earpiece is again missing that confirms the sound on display tag for the G8 ThinQ. For those who don't know, these under-panel technologies work with an OLED panel, so it's quite possible to see a new display with the same design. I actually don't understand this particular side of G8. If guesses actually work, then I'd go for the sensors required for facial recognition, as a lot of reports suggest the same. The V40 was a part of these reports earlier, and at this point, there's no other reason to go for a notch in the year 2019. Well, after that, the G8 ThinQ is just a part of LG's MWC, as the company is going to launch a 5G smartphone with the Snapdragon 855, a 4000 mAh battery and improved cooling system. If reports are to be believed, both of these devices are totally different in terms of specs, pricing and design. It's also possible to have a triple rear camera system for the 5G model, as LG V40 ThinQ admires a similar technology, and for 2019, the company needs strong changes just because Samsung is working on the same strategy. And if LG wants to keep up with changes, it's must. Additionally, the company has posted a teaser that hints towards a new touchless input. I have talked about it in my previous video, but now it looks like the company is very much serious with this approach, and I'm excited to just experience this. I hope it doesn't come out as a gimmick, and for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.